Well, I gave it a little bit to set, and I attempted to sand it a little bit, and it's just loading up the paper. The wood is just too wet to do anything with. So we're going to remove it from the lathe, and it will have to go back on at a later date. I'll bring it in the house, let it dry some, and boy, it's just gorgeous. We'll let it dry some, and then we'll be able to work with it. But the wood is just too green right now to do anything with. That is sure pretty, isn't it? Anyway, it's going to be a nice little bowl. Maybe a little bit thicker down in this area than I wanted it to be. Hopefully it won't get too far out around where I can't work with it. We should be able to do something at a later date. Anyway, thanks for watching.